Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about molarity and molality. Molarity is also known as molar concentration and molality is also known as molal concentration. So first I will discuss the details about molarity. This video is sponsored by GPAT Discussion Center. Visit JDC for gpat.com for details about GPAT, NIPER, Drugs Inspector and Pharmacist exams. Use Dr. Pushpendra classes coupon code that is PK25 and get 25% discount in all online test series of GDC for gpat.com. So what is molarity or molal concentration? It is the number of moles of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution. Molarity is denoted by capital M and the formula for molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Now coming to the details about molality or molal concentration. After that we will discuss the examples of molarity and molality together. So coming to the second one, that is molality. So what is molality? Molality is the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of the solvent. So here there is difference between molarity and molality is that here it is the solution and here it is solvent. So molality is denoted by small m and this term is rarely used, and the formula for molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of the solution in kg. So mass of the solvent or weight of the solvent will not change due to the concentration. That is why this molality or molal concentration is temperature independent. Now coming to the example for molarity and molality. So here I am taking the example of NaOH. So first I will discuss about how 1 molar NaOH will be prepared. So for preparation of 1 molar NaOH, we have to take 40 gram of NaOH. Then that 40 gram of NaOH will be dissolved in distilled water and the final volume of that solution should be 1000 ml. So this prepared solution will be 1 molar NaOH solution. Now coming to the second one, that is preparation of 1 molar NaOH solution. So for preparation of 1 molar NaOH solution, first we have to take 40 gram of NaOH and that 40 gram of NaOH will be dissolved in 1 kg of the distilled water. That will be 1 molar NaOH solution. So we will not make the final volume up to 1000 ml. Here we have to separately take 40 gram of NaOH and 1 kg of the distilled water. So what is the difference between 1 molar NaOH and 1 molar NaOH solution? So here we are taking 40 gram of NaOH, here also we are taking 40 gram of NaOH, but here final volume is 1000 ml, means total solution will be 1000 ml, but here we are taking 40 gram of NaOH separately and 1 kg of the distilled water separately. If density of distilled water is 1, then it will be 11,000 ml plus volume of this will be added. So ultimately total volume of this 1 molar solution may exceed from 1 liter. If density will be more than 1, so final volume of 1 molar NaOH may be lower than 1000 ml. So this is the basic difference between 1 molar NaOH solution and 1 molar NaOH solution. Now coming to an example, that is so this is the question: how many gram of NaOH present in 400 ml of 0.5 molar solution of NaOH? Solution is very easy. So 1000 ml of 1 molar NaOH solution contains 40 gram of NaOH. So 1000 ml of 0.5 molar NaOH will contain 20 gram. Now we have calculated the weight of NaOH for 400 ml of this 0.5 molar. So it will be 400 ml of 0.5 molar NaOH is equal to 20 into 400 divided by 1000. So it will be 4 into 2, so it will be 8 gram. So this 8 gram is our answer. Means 8 gram of NaOH present in 400 ml of 0.5 molar solution. So this is the details about molarity and molality. In my next video I will discuss about formal concentration. Thank you.